Step number 1. Set up a scenery. If you want, but this one's optional. Okay, let me just do this. Having a scenery is one of the best things ever. You can just have like a nice little scene, and yeah, I'm holding a pencil, and right here we have a window, so there's light around here, and yeah. Step 2. Buy a blank book or make your own with staplers, with a stapler and paper and stuff. You can buy these things on Amazon. Just type in blank books and you'll find these. There's little ones and big ones. These one have 28 pages, and the little ones have 18 or 16 or something. But I just like to use these ones because they're bigger and they have more pages so that we can write longer stories. We have a bunch of stories with these blank books. We're rich, so we buy a lot. No, we're not really rich, but we just have a lot of money. And here we have a lot of blank books. Like, as you can see, there's like 100 of them over there. And there's a lot, and here's one right now, because we love to write books and stuff. And yeah, why'd I drop it on my Nintendo Switch? At least it didn't crack it or something, that would be mad. But, yeah, and Fuzzy, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Alright, so that's step 2. But there's more step 2. Step 2, you just, yeah, step 3, start a title. Like, we're gonna start a title right now. Like, what should we do? I'm thinking of something we could write about. We have like 100 books. I do this. Like Sniffy's Adventure. You can let's just write. Sorry. And I should have wrote it, like, I should have started right there. But still. And you can draw something too, like draw an illustration. But if you want this to be like chapter book type, then you don't have to draw illustrations and stuff. But here we're just gonna draw Sniffy.
Are we having a knife fight? Well, I guess if it wasn't Courtney, this would be really hard to do.
Sorry about the bad dog drawing.
Excuse me? Don't pick a fight you can't win.
You can make him like mad or and stuff. I just like the color. So here you've got a good little illustration, but if you want you can add more, like a moon. But I'm gonna do a moon. You can draw a face on the moon, but I'm not. Then you make it a power moon from Mario Odyssey, but yeah, if you just draw little eyes, it's a power moon. But anyways, and you can do clouds, and if you want, you can draw different types of clouds. These are cumulus clouds. You can draw different types of clouds. Like, you can just look up different types of clouds and it'll show you images, and then you can draw those if you want more detail and stuff. But yeah, so that's all you do here, and then that's basically all, and you just write your book in here. Like, yeah, that's our tutorial on how to start a book and stuff. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.